Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who was bored watching his flock of sheep on the hill. To amuse himself, he shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The sheep are being chased by the wolf!" The villagers came running to help the boy and save the sheep. They found nothing, and the boy just laughed looking at their angry faces. "Don't cry wolf when there's no wolf, boy," they said angrily and left. The boy just laughed at them. After a while, he got bored and cried wolf again, fooling the villagers a second time. The angry villagers warned the boy a second time and left. The boy continued watching the flock. After a while, he saw a real wolf and cried loudly, "Wolf, please help! The wolf is chasing the sheep! Help!" But this time, no one turned up to help. By evening, when the boy didn't return home, the villagers wondered what happened to him and went up the hill. The boy sat on the hill weeping. "Why didn't you come when I called out there was a wolf?" he asked angrily. "The flock is scattered now," he said. So, what we can learn from this story? Lying breaks trust. Nobody trusts a liar, even when he is telling the truth.